Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher.
And I'm Blip, your friendly alien student from far, far away.
Today, we have a very fun topic, hobbies.
Hobbies? Is that like things humans do for fun?
Exactly. Things you enjoy, things that make you happy, things you do in your free time.
Oh, free time. I love free time. My favorite free time hobby is, floating.
Floating is definitely a hobby on your planet. But on Earth, people do all kinds of different things for fun.
Ooh, I want to learn everything. Let's start. What are hobbies on Earth?
Let's begin super easy. A hobby is something you do for fun. It is not work. It is not school. It's something you enjoy.
Something fun, like eating snacks?
That can be a hobby, yes.
Then I already love hobbies.
Great! Humans have many hobbies. Some people like sports. Some people like music. Some people like reading. Some people like cooking.
And some aliens like floating.
Yes, and floating counts for you.
Let's start with sports. Sports are physical activities. You move your body.
Earth body or alien body?
Any body. Here are some simple sports hobbies. Running, swimming, playing soccer, playing basketball, hiking.
I want to try all of them, except maybe running. My feet are not built for that. Yes, your feet are interesting.
Thank you. I grew them myself.
Another type of hobby is creative hobbies. Things where you make something with your mind or hands. For example, drawing, painting, writing, playing an instrument, taking photos.
I like drawing. But when I draw, everything becomes real. It pops out of the paper.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous. That is why I do not draw cats anymore.
Good idea.
Humans love music. Here are some simple music hobbies. Singing, playing guitar, playing piano, dancing, listening to music.
I love dancing, but when I dance, I float by accident.
That's your second floating reference today.
Floating is part of me, Stella. I cannot hide who I am.
Some people like quiet hobbies. Calm hobbies help you relax, such as reading books, doing puzzles, gardening, cooking, meditating.
Meditating? What is that?
It's when you sit quietly and breathe slowly. You relax your mind.
Oh, so taking a nap.
Not exactly, but close.
Now let's learn simple sentences. Beginners can say, I like blank. My hobby is blank. I enjoy blank. I love blank.
Okay, let me try. I like, looking at Earth snacks. My hobby is eating Earth snacks. I enjoy buying Earth snacks. I love Earth snacks.
So your hobby is snacks?
Many snacks. All snacks.
Very clear.
Blip, what hobbies do you have on your planet?
On my planet, we have floating, star watching, asteroid rolling, gravity jumping, zero gravity cooking.
Zero-gravity cooking?
Yes. The food floats, you float, everything floats.
That sounds messy.
Very messy. Our kitchens are disasters.
Let's practice a real conversation. I'll ask, you answer.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
Great. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing games.
Perfect. Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading Earth books, but the books are heavy.
You have small arms.
Yes, tiny arms, sad arms.
On Earth, people love talking about their hobbies. People say, in my free time, I, on weekends, I, after work, I, my favorite hobby is, let's try them.
Okay.
In my free time, I float, of course.
On weekends, I eat snacks.
Beautiful.
After work, do I work?
Learning English is your work.
Then after work, I take naps.
Here are more beginner hobby words. Repeat after me. Stella, cook,
Cook,
draw,
draw,
run.
run, run.
Good, I think.
I tried.
Dance.
Dance.
You floated again.
My body dances by itself.
Humans have some very common hobbies. Watching TV, playing games, cooking, traveling, taking photos, exercising, reading, listening to music.
I like taking photos, but Earth cameras do not like me.
Why?
I am too shiny. I reflect everything.
Blip. Imagine you join a hobby club.
A club? Like a place where many humans with the same hobby meet?
Yes,
I joined the Snack Appreciation Club.
there is no snack appreciation club.
Then I will create it.
Of course. Let's practice one more time. Stella, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is dancing.
Nice. Do you like reading?
Yes, but only short books. Long books hurt my tiny arms.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, but when I cook, the food flies away.
That is a problem.
A very big problem.
And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about hobbies.
Hobbies are fun. I want to try many Earth hobbies now.
That's great, Blip. Hobbies help us relax, learn, and enjoy life.
Stella, maybe next time we can learn about animals.
Animals? That sounds like a perfect idea for our next episode.
Yay! But for now, it is hobby time.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.